close, okay? Okay. I don't make content of this sort very often. And there's a good reason for that. The main reason being that, well, I've never usually had a 3D model before. This is probably the first time that I have one. And, well, okay. I will stop stalling. I will get right to the point. I'm making this video because YouTube has recently implemented a change. What kind of change? Well, that I don't know. It's some kind of an ad change. I saw 8-Bit Ryan do a video about it, and then Creecraft made one. So I'll try and find those, put those in the description of the video. But when you look at this, I'm gonna put it right over here. When you look at this, YouTube's new ad changes, and then you look at the kind of content I've made before in the past, gaming content, not usually a lot of commentary, you start to see a problem. YouTube, essentially, right now, if these changes go through in, what does that say, May? Yeah. If these changes go through in May, YouTube is going to be rewarding laziness. Let me say that again. YouTube, the platform that historically has wanted you to work hard, is rewarding laziness. They want downtime in your videos so that they can automatically put an ad there so it's less disruptive. Let me say that again. YouTube wants more downtime in your in your videos so they can make them less interruptive, like you see on TV, like you see on sites like Prime Video, like you see on other free services like Tubi, like Hulu, even TikTok now, they have ads at the end of their videos if the videos are over a minute long. And yes, YouTube has a pretty awful track record with ads, and they also have a war on ad block, but that's not something I'm going to get into right now. YouTube might go through with these changes, which means there will be a massive change in the kind of videos that I make on YouTube. And that is not something I want to do. I don't want to have to make a drastic change in the content I make. I have videos that are just raw footage that I've uploaded to the site. I have videos that I put some decent work into. And I have live streams that have almost no downtime. The only way I'm making money off of those live streams is from you guys, from your super chats. Or if you pay for a channel membership, which I do not have yet. Or you, yes, you, audience, the only way I'm making money off of you if these changes go through is one of the links I have in the description of the video. That said, also in the description will be a handful of other links. First one is a Discord link. If you want to stay updated on the latest progression of both the channel and YouTube at this current moment, then go there, click that link, go there, and keep your eyes on the announcements channel. The second link will likely be my Twitter. Go there if you want to keep up with me personally. And then the last link, the third link possibly, is likely going to be my Instagram. And then below all those is the Ko-fi link that I mentioned before. I'm going to need you to visit all of those links, as well as the videos that I link in the description. Until we have confirmation that these changes are going through on YouTube, I will not upload as many gaming videos as I used to. I will not upload as many videos as I used to, period. I have a shorts channel that'll also be linked in the description that you can go to if you want to keep up with some of my other uploads, namely shorts. I will still do uploads here. I do still have a live stream planned with my old PNG, but once that's done, I will need a new channel name. So once everything is done, once I have everything out of the way, everything before now, before the end of March 2025, once I have all of that done, I will need a new identity. And I am going to leave that up to you guys, either in the comments, in the Discord, or I'll run a poll on Twitter. You can vote on the names on Twitter, you can give me suggestions on Discord, you can give me suggestions in the comments. But for the time being, do not mention anything about YouTube or the new ads policy. I will slowly stop uploading gaming videos and go in a different direction once in April, if these changes are in fact going to go through. If they don't, if this ad policy change does not go through, I will go back to my old style of videos. And I will still live stream games. Don't worry, that's not changing. I'm not gonna stop uploading. I'm not gonna stop live streaming games. That's kind of the crux of what I've done on this channel forever, and I still want to hold on to that legacy. But regular uploads are going to change. Shorts are going to change. And it's very likely that the channel as a whole will change. But for the time being, till the end of March 2025, I will still be Silverwolf. But come April 1st, everything changes. So, be prepared for that, and be prepared for a different style of video, likely starting with this one, and then look, I don't know. I wish, I really wish that YouTube would not make terrible decisions. I mean, it's my job, right? YouTube is one of my jobs that I do. Yes, believe it or not, I don't just sit here and make videos all day. I actually do have things to do outside the house. But I have been doing YouTube for just about 7, coming up 8 years. Okay. Actually, no, I think it would be almost 9 now. Anyway, coming up 8 years on YouTube, and I've never, at all, seen such horrible changes since the removal of the dislike count in, I think that was 2019. Anyways, YouTube is promoting laziness. YouTube, the platform I have relied on for 8 years, since I was 10-ish. Probably not, I don't remember when I actually started this channel. But for 8 years, I have relied on YouTube. And now they're making it unreliable for the kinds of videos that I make. So, things are changing. I know I've said that a lot of times already, but things are changing. A lot. Drastic changes that I never thought would have to see the light of day. But, I mean, here we are, right? Here we are. Making changes because of an ad policy. Because YouTube doesn't know how to make a platform that works. By the time this video goes up, I should already have the other videos and streams lined up for the entirety of the month. And as of the time of recording, it is March 4th. The time of recording, March 4th, 2025. And by the end of the month, March 31st, I think 30, by March 30th, 2025, I will have started to phase out gaming content and bring in a new style of content. So, mark your calendars, check Discord, check Twitter, Instagram, anything else, including including other channels that I may have linked in the description. And I'm not going into depth. If you want to look into the new ad policy yourself, I'll also link Creecraft and 8-Bit Ryan's videos in the description, so you can get to them, so you can understand where I'm coming from. But in the meantime, get used to this look, because it's going to become the new face of whatever this channel becomes in April. And this voice is also going to become a staple of who I am. So, get used to the look, get used to the voice, get used to the movement, get used to it all. Because, I mean, use this time how you will, but I would recommend you use it to get used to this look, this everything. Oh, and if you're wondering about the background, I did it so I could keep your attention. before I add the background music. I mean, I'll still add that, but I mean, okay. I have talked long enough. I will give you a moment of silence to mourn the end of an old identity, the end of an era, and I guess we'll figure things out from here. So I will give you a moment of silence to mourn the end of an era, starting right now. Have you had your silence? Have you mourned? Let me know in the comments if you did. And also, I cannot stress this enough. Click those links in the description so you can keep up with any changes that I make to everything. I really cannot emphasize that enough. And if you must, invite your friends. Invite your friends to the Discord and invite them to look at my social media pages. Do whatever you need to spread this around. Share this video, comment on it, like it. Boost it in the algorithm, okay? Because my livelihood hinges on this being good. My livelihood hinges on this. It really does. Because I don't know about you, but I don't feel like retiring my channel again for the third time. I'll change it. I don't have a problem changing it, but I'm not going to retire it again. So, once again, invite your friends to the Discord. Invite whoever you need to the Discord, to the channel, to social media, and please support me if you can. I will try to once I phase out the gaming stuff from YouTube entirely, it will go onto Ko-fi. Pre-recorded, raw, uncut gaming footage with a watermark, so you can't steal it. I know you guys. Will go either on Ko-fi or on a Patreon page. So if you want to hold on to the legacy of Silverwolf, those will be your places to go to stick to those. If you want to see the new stuff, stay here on YouTube. This is free. YouTube is free if you want to see the new content that comes in. And then obviously live streams will not be saved onto YouTube. They will go unlisted once they are done, and will be also put onto those other pages, Patreon or Ko-fi, or whatever other page I decide they go onto. And I will take clips from them and put them on TikTok. So do not worry your heads off about the missing clips from shorts. They will go on TikTok and on my shorts channel, so you can still find them. But again, I've talked long enough. I will probably end this here. Thank you all so much for joining me on this adventure that we've been on. I cannot thank you enough. There are not enough words in the English dictionary to describe how thankful I am to have had all of you with me in this gaming adventure. But now, time to retire gaming from YouTube and move on to something else. So, for probably the last time, whether or not your world has a day-night cycle, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.